Alright folks, I want to bring out your feature for you. I've known this guy since high school, and ever since we were in zoology together, we did a book report on blue-footed cooters. I knew he was a funny guy. He's actually been doing stand-up comedy for about 3 years now. He's really helped me out a lot. He explained a few things to me. He said the difference between clean comedy and dirty comedy is like this. If you're sitting there with your son or daughter and you're changing their diaper and like the baby accidentally pees on you, that's clean. But if you pee on your baby, ladies and gentlemen, Chuck Rhoads!
Yeah, so Ryan Harris talked about like how he was scared one time, and his mom gave him the advice to just like yell out Jehovah real loud. And well, that reminded me of the two most pathetic times in my life. Was like, one time I was just really scared, like actually scared as a kid, and I remember I thought that if there were demons in the basement, I could just say, like, oh, I can see you, like, you can stop hiding now, the joke's over. And then the other, like, really pathetic time, this one time this girl, she broke up with me, and what I did was I fake cried about it, and then she called me out about fake crying. That was probably the most pathetic time. I wrote a song, a little ditty, and everybody's singing, but I didn't know, well, I thought I couldn't perform it because I thought it was a holiday song, but then I found out that the musical Rent was actually about AIDS. I don't know how I confused those things. So, 525,600 blowjobs. How do you measure a porn star's career? In cum shots and cream pies and cups of coffee. So, here to tell you guys that chivalry is not dead, it's alive and well. My last girlfriend, I actually paid in full for the abortion. Is it? So I keep thinking, is it still illegal to put cameras in bathrooms? Like that's not allowed. And, like because when I first thought of that, it makes it sound like I want to install cameras in that, but I don't. Like I'm afraid. There's some weird. So I was thinking, yeah, I don't want to talk about bathrooms anymore. I did want to say this. I don't get as lonely anymore when I masturbate. Like I don't feel as lonely because it's almost like I'm in training. Like I'm in training for some eventual kids that I'm going to have. But it just makes me sad to. Like, these are the potential, like, heirs to my throne, and I'm just, like, getting them all over the inside of the toilet bowl. All right. Okay. I think I used to be a slave in a past life because well, because I get really furious when I hear white people call me boy. and my back starts flaring up. Joke takes a lot. I was in this X-rated pie eating competition, and I was doing really well, but then they disqualified me for bringing a spoon. I did, like nobody wants like a spoon in their vagina. Time check. I was thinking about bulimic time travelers the other day. That kind of, like, not only are you dealing with like time travel, but man, you gotta find a bathroom too. There's a lot going on in your head. You guys know how co-stars are always hooking up with each other? Well, because I always wondered if Gene Wilder ever hooked up with the boy who played Charlie, because that would have been a much different movie. It would have been like Willy Wonka in Charlie's chocolate. So, like, I had this idea for like maybe like a mood ring for your dick mood ring. Somebody was like, "Well, how do you know if you're aroused?" It's like, "Because I have a fucking boner." I just want to know how my dick is feeling. Okay. I'll leave you with this little offering. So, do you guys just guess who? Do you guys remember that game? The game Guess Who?
Yeah.
Didn't it suck when you got the black girl? Well, because you're only 2 questions away from the game being completely. Is your person black? Fuck! Click, 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 click. Is your person wearing glasses? God damn it! You're Angela. Anyway, Chuck Rhoads,
All right, ladies and